Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a nighttime cleaning routine. So I'm just going to be sharing with you the cleaning routine that I like to keep up with pretty much every single night in order to stay on track with my cleaning and just maintenance of the space that we live in. So the first thing that I'm doing is loading the dishes into the dishwasher. Normally we don't have this many dishes, but we've kind of been slacking off the last day and a half or 2 days. Just with everything going on, we've been stuck at home and I've just felt very lazy, and so I did not want to worry about the dishes over the last day, and so I was just catching up with those. Normally we only have a couple in there from dinner, but after I'm done with loading the dishes into the dishwasher, I'm just going to be cleaning out the sink. And everything that I do in this video is not strict at all. Some things I for sure do every single night, but some things I don't do every night. For example, you're going to see me vacuuming my living room in a couple of clips, and I don't do that every single night. I probably should, but let's be real, life happens and not everything gets done every night, and that is okay.
There's a remedy. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
So to wipe off my countertops, I'm just using these Clorox Scentiva wipes, and normally I like to use an all-natural cleaner, but I feel like there is a time and a place for harsh cleaners like Clorox and Lysol, and right now is definitely one of those times. I just want to kill as many germs, bacteria, and viruses living on my surfaces as possible. And I was lucky enough to get my hands on these Clorox wipes on Amazon before they went out of stock. It was probably about 3 weeks ago when I ordered them, and I just received them in the mail a couple of days ago. And I'm very thankful for all of our delivery service men and women who are still working, and just everyone who is still working, nurses, police, firefighters, EMTs, doctors, just everyone. I know that grocery store clerks are still working, several restaurants still have employees, and I'm not sure, but the list is very long. So thank you to those that are still out there working and risking their lives every single day. It is such a scary time right now, but I'm not going to rant about it too long. But yeah, so I actually do like these Clorox Scentiva wipes. They're like a lavender and jasmine, I believe. But there's all different scents, but these were the only ones left in stock, so I snagged them while I could.
I felt so funny by the break of dawn. It must have been the lady I was dreaming of. She got me. She got me. I poured my coffee and I read the news. I thought of eggs or pancakes, but I couldn't choose. She got me. Oh yeah, she got me. I've got this crazy feeling.
I love that I got this part on camera. It is just so sweet. And normally whenever I am going to bed, I will move these pillows off the couch because this is like Jasper's throne. He basically sleeps here pretty much every single night, and I tuck him in with a little pillow in that blanket that you see sitting on top of the couch. So that's kind of like his bed, but for now I just wanted to tidy up the pillows.
Baby, you got me. Totally mad about you. Junior high, and now I know the reason why I live and die. She got me. She got me. I've never felt like this in all my life. I'm gonna go and ask her if she'll be my wife. She got me. Oh yeah, she got me. Got this bubbly feeling and it's holding on. Yeah, yeah. Honey girl, I'm trying to say what you mean to me. More than just a moment of my history. Honey girl, I'm trying to say what you mean to me. More than just a moment of my history. You got me, baby, you got me. Sugar, it's clear to me there's more than this. A one-way ticket to eternal bliss. You got me, baby, you got me. Honey girl, I'm trying to say what you mean to me. More than just a moment of my history. You got me, baby, you got me.
After I finished vacuuming the main living room area, I decided to spray down all of our furniture with this Caldrea linen spray, and it is in the sea salt neroli scent, and it is so good. I love how it smells, and I end up spraying it in the bedroom too in a little bit, but it is just so good.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be.
One thing that I don't do every single night, but I love it whenever I do take the time to do it, is sort of unmake the bed. And most days, I'll be honest, I don't fully make the bed. As you can see here, it was totally unmade all day. But I did just want to straighten up the comforter and my weighted blanket there and just get things ready for me and Matt to crawl into bed tonight. I just like coming in and not having to mess with the sheets or having to adjust the blankets or the pillows or anything. So whether the bed is made or unmade, I do like to straighten it up just to make it easier at nighttime. We don't have to worry about anything.
I need, yeah, you make me feel like there's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be the. Yeah, I know you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be the. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. 'Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like.
That is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you aren't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I do post mostly cleaning related content on this channel twice a week, every single Tuesday and Friday, so if you are interested in more of that type of content, then definitely subscribe. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much whenever I get those thumbs up from you guys. Thank you guys so much, and I hope that you have a great week.